Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to announce that I have finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, you guys. Thank you so much. If you have subscribed to this channel, I honestly appreciate it more than you know. Like, I have been working so hard to try to get to this point. I don't want to tear up. But when you put so much effort and work into something and you really just like focus on it every day, when you finally hit your goal, it's like, it feels amazing. So thank you so much to every single person that has hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you honestly more than you will ever know, and I appreciate everybody that watches my videos and leaves me a nice comment. I love you guys so much, and I really thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. But with that being said, we're gonna have a little laundry talks video today, and I want to announce a giveaway. So I'm gonna do that right off the bat here, and then we'll just kind of get into chatting and folding some laundry. But I am gonna be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's gonna be for a $50 Amazon gift card. So what you need to do to enter is, obviously you need to be subscribed to my channel with your notification bell turned on. And I do get emails from everybody that turns on their notifications, so I'm able to see that. And then head over to my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description box below, as well as flashing around here somewhere. Head over to my Instagram and subscribe over there, and then ask me a question over there. So I'm gonna have a post for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So ask me a question. You can ask me it here in the comment section or over on Instagram, wherever. Ask me a question, and we'll do a 1,000 subscriber Q&A coming up soon. So that's what you got to do. Make sure you're subscribed here, notification bell turned on, and head over to my Instagram, subscribe over there, ask me a question on one of the platforms, and let me know that you've entered, obviously. Let me know, like, in the comment section. Probably here is the best place to let me know that, that you have done all the steps and that you are now entered. So anyways, without further ado, let's get right on into this monstrous pile of laundry. I don't know if you guys can't even see it all. There's about 3 loads here, and then I have another one in the dryer that's going to be done soon. So we got some time to talk. So I kind of just want to check in with you guys and see how everyone is holding up. We're in some crazy times right now, to say the least. So I just wanted to check in and see how everyone is doing. Also, I hope you guys can hear me okay. I've got my dishwasher running in the background, and I've got Holden watching TV and playing in the next room, so hopefully you guys can hear me all right. Yeah, we're in some crazy times right now. Right now, because I'm in Canada, and I am in a province that is doing really well. We are only getting like 1-2 cases every day, new cases. Oh my god, my cat just went psycho. Can you hear her? I don't know what her problem is. Anyways, so we are doing really well right now. And our province is starting to think about reopening things, kind of slowly but surely, and see how things go. And I think a lot of places are doing this. I know a lot of YouTubers that I watch are kind of saying the same thing, which is kind of crazy to me, because a lot of the YouTubers that I watch, their cases are astronomical compared to ours. And I'm even concerned with ours reopening. Like, I don't know. I'm kind of the opinion, it's such a hard thing, because I'm kind of the opinion where, well, our numbers are low because we are social distancing. And I have concerns that as soon as we start to reopen things even a little bit and slack a little bit, that things are going to kind of skyrocket again. So, but then also I completely understand the need to keep the economy going, and that's a whole nother issue, right? So it's one of those things where it's kind of like, you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. So yeah, that's like scary. But what is going on where you guys live? Are you guys still under stay-at-home orders? Are you guys still working? Are you in essential services? I closed my daycare due to COVID, of course. But just because it's one of those things where, like, my boyfriend, hold on, I need the light on, honey, okay? He wants me to turn off the ring light. It's too bright. My boyfriend is essential services. He works for the railroad, so, and he is the majority, like, he brings in most of our income. Like, my daycare is kind of like more of a side business for us, really. So it was a decision where, you know, like, it's one of those things where, I mean, if he gets it, we're in trouble. If he can't work, we're in trouble. So it was kind of one of those things where we minimize our chances by me closing the daycare, and then, you know, at least that's one way to minimize him getting it. So there's that. But yeah, he is essential services. He was able to take off work. He used up all his vacation time when this kind of first blew up, so that he could stay home and we could really, like, self-isolate together. So we had like 5 weeks of doing that, of self-isolating, which was a good thing. But now he is back at work, so it's of course stressful. And last week, like I said, we're starting to kind of reopen things, and we've been trying to get some projects done around our house, and we're in the middle of redoing the backyard, which I am filming in spurts for you guys. I keep forgetting to film when I'm out there because I'm not used to it. Like, I'm used to just going out there and doing whatever, but we're completely redoing our entire backyard. And so we went to a home improvement store together, and we initially, as we were driving into town, we were going to just, like, I was going to stay in the car and he was going to go in, but then, like, we had to pick out stain colors and stuff like that, and he's like, I don't know what to get, like, because he's been doing all of our shopping for us, and I've not been in a store in forever. So I was like, okay, well, I'll come in. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was a little bit scary for me, because I haven't been in a store in, like, well over a month, like 6 weeks, probably even more. And so it was a little weird. It definitely felt a little strange, and it was a little scary. The first few minutes, probably the first like 10 minutes, I felt like I was gonna have a panic attack, and I was just kind of like looking around, like, and just like anytime I would see somebody, I was just like, and like trying to stay away from them. And then of course there's people that aren't taking it seriously, right? So there's people that are just coming like so close to you, and you're like, stay away from me, like you just want to scream at them, like, get away. You know. So I definitely think we're gonna have a ways to go before we can get back to any semblance of normal. And even when our governments like do reopen everything, it's gonna feel a little bit weird. But as you guys know, I fully believe in the law of attraction and keeping a positive mindset on things. So I am trying to apply those principles, you know, in my day-to-day life with this whole situation. And I think with a lot of people right now, there's so much confusion and so much fear, and that really blocks the law of attraction. Like, fear is like the #1 way to destroy any sort of manifestation. And you know, with the law of attraction, what you focus on is what comes to fruition. So if you're constantly worrying and dwelling on the situation, you're almost inviting it into your life. So what I'm trying to do, and I mean, I'm not perfect, right? There are times when I have breakdowns just like everyone else, and I'm scared, right? I mean, we're all scared. But what I try to do is just try to remind myself that this is not something that I can control, and that the only thing that I can do is take preventative measures as best as I can, to try and keep my family safe. And that's all that we can do. We can't control what other people are doing. We can't control if other people aren't taking the precautions seriously, if other people aren't social distancing. We can't control that. All we can control is ourselves, and that's what we need to try to do, and just try not to worry about it. I try personally not to look at the news every day. I mean, you have to stay up to date to know somewhat what is going on, right? But I don't think it serves anyone any purpose to dwell on it and be watching the news all day and be worrying on it, because you worrying about it isn't going to change anything. It's just going to draw it nearer to you, in my opinion. So all you can do is just try to stay in your own lane and try your best not to worry about it. I know it's easier said than done. But that's kind of how I've been using the law of attraction to kind of help myself through this. And I invite you guys to do that as well. Just try really hard to try to not dwell on it so much. Once again, I know it's hard. But anyways, you guys. Anyways, it was definitely not my intention to make this a whole video about what's going on in the world, but it's, you know, it's one of those things where everybody's going through it, everybody's dealing with it, so it's kind of hard not to talk about. But I know you guys are probably here to kind of get your mind off of that, because I know that's what I've been watching YouTube videos for lately. But I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of positive energy and just know that, you know, we are going to be okay. You just really have to try to have a positive mind frame on all of this. It will help. It's been an adjustment for everyone, you know, like I said, I closed my daycare, and my son went from having his friends here every single day to just being me again. Like, I was a stay-at-home mom for the first 2 years of his life, and then we had almost a full year with the daycare, and he got really used to that. So it's been really tough for him too. I think with all the kids are missing their friends, right? So it's hard, and family, right? But try to take something positive away. If you guys have gratitude journals, gratitude journaling is, I think, probably one of the best things that we can do for ourselves right now. Try to keep some sort of positive energy, and you know, there are definitely still things to be grateful for, and try to find a bright spot in every single day to focus on that rather than the negative. I think would be really helpful right now. So that's my take on it. On everything. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below how you guys are doing. Let me know if I can help in any ways. If you have any questions regarding the law of attraction, and if you want to see more law of attraction videos, definitely let me know. I've had such mixed, I know a lot of people say that they like them, but I also don't get very many views on this video, so then I'm like, do people really like them? I don't know. So a lot of laundry, you guys. Like I said, I have one more in the dryer that's going to be ready to go soon, and I have one more in the washing machine. So we'd gotten into a really good system when my boyfriend was home, where I would throw in a load of laundry every evening, and then before he came to bed, because I go to bed before him, before he came to bed at night, he would toss it in the dryer, and that was like a really good system. But then now that he's at work, the system has just gone. It has just gone down, because like I said, he works for the railroad, so he's gone a lot, and he's gone for like days at a time. So it's not like a Monday to Friday 9 to 5 job or anything like that. So well, you guys, I am nearing the end of this pile. think this is probably gonna be a shorter laundry talks video, but that's okay because I really just wanted to say thank you guys so much for getting me to that 1,000 subscribers. I have had so much support. I have gotten into this group with a few other smaller YouTube content creators, and we have just like been supporting each other so much, watching each other's videos and commenting on each other's videos and just supporting each other. And we have this group chat, and it has just been absolutely amazing. It's been a game changer. So I would suggest, if you're a small YouTuber, make some friends on the platform and kind of all get together and support each other, because it really helps. Like whenever you need advice on something, or you know, whatever, even just like you're frustrated with your video not performing or whatever, you're frustrated with anything, you have like a sounding board of people, and it is amazing. Anyways, you guys, I am pretty much finished with my laundry, so I'm gonna go and put it away. Make sure you enter my contest for the $50 Amazon gift card. Be subscribed here with your bell turned on. Go subscribe to my Instagram and leave me a question for the Q&A that's going to be coming up. Let me know in the comment section that you did that, and you'll be entered in to win. And I will be announcing the winner on the Q&A. So anyways, you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.